Dito yata. Aso ba yan? Aso nga. Tangke compound Ogi. Ogi ye ngagi. Ngahi. Hello. Nandito na ako. Gigilid lang kami. Dahil kami gitnang gitna. Ito na yan. Oh, hindi pa pala na-call. Hindi pa pala na-contact. Power off. Hello po, Food Panda. Dito na po ako sa sa may mga halaman.
Huh?
Food Panda po.
Yes, yes, son.
Dito sa mga halaman. Nagpas ng court, cover court.
Huh? What?
Cover court, basketball court.
Yeah, we passed the barangay hall.
Where are you?
I mean, trying to the garden.
Tangki? I'm here in Tangki.
Yeah, but like, have you passed barangay or...
Barangay hall?
Yeah,
Wait.
then there's a school at the back.
I
Opposite
asked.
the school, there's...
Wait.
I'm up a hill. What's that there?
Saan po yung barangay hall? Ayan.
I think so. Don't pass the school. There's a hill.
Hello?
I'm coming. Where are you? I can see you. Is someone at your back?
That you?
Yeah.
Ay, okay. Doon pala. Akala ko doon. Here, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you. Ano niloko? Balo ka ba? Palo ka ng palo eh. Hindi ako makakonsentrate sa pag-i-English ka. Pagtingin ko, is that you? Yeah, sabi niya.